Hello and welcome to the Enspiral External Update. January 2021, Happy New Year! We from the Enspiral Network, we wish you and we wish the world a safe year and a year of regeneration. As normally happens, the January video is a bit shorter than the other ones because less stuff happens because people are focused on, Christmas, New Year's, and all that. But still, we want to engage. We want to be here with you. So here I am. So I'm pretty sure I didn't share that last video because that's sort of news. But we've got a new website. Yes! New website, woohoo! This has been brewing for a while now, and first of all, I'm sorry because there's still a couple of rough edges and some links that are broken or leading to the wrong places, and that's on me. I'm responsible for that. So I'm sorry. I'm gonna get to it. I promise. But this is how it looks. It's our new website, and it's looking sharp. Look at this. It's much simpler than the previous one. I'm just so excited about it. I'm sorry. Cool. So I'm gonna leave a link below for you folks to explore. So what have we been talking about? What have we been writing about? Today there's two different long videos, like sort of videos, but also like sort of podcast-ish from Michal. He's having two different conversations. First with Brandon, who's also an Inspire contributor, and the second one with Silvia. This first one here, it's about community building, micro-solidarity, and the similarities and the differences between his experiences and Brandon's. It's nice because it's not like one-on-one community building. They have the space to delve a little further. And the second one is with Silvia, and they're talking about habit formation for the new year that's starting. So if you're planning on starting some new endeavor, some new thing that you want to keep forever or for a good time in your life, it might be a good read. And Michal's stuff is always high quality, so I deeply recommend. Okay, so Disco Co-op, shared by Marc, has this a free booklet for people who are interested in helping organizations approach sort of radically democratic way of behaving. So this button here is for the booklet, and there's also a trailer here. If that sounds good to you, there's a link below in the description. By the way, there's links to everything in the description. This is Rich's latest newsletter. If you follow those videos, you know that I share a lot of Rich's stuff because he's one of the most prolific content creators we got. And those newsletters are particularly nice because he put everything together in one spot, not only the things that him and the Hum and the Micro Solidarity are doing, but also like good references that he found online. So if you're looking for a new read, if you're looking for to start your study for the year, this might be a good place. And this, what is this, cranberries? No, those are Granapfel. I don't know the name in English. Sorry. This is my own YouTube channel. It is about world building, especially in fantasy and sci-fi. But this one particular episode, I'm talking about Kim Stanley Robinson and his ideas for different economies and how he sets them into place in his science fiction books. So I thought it was a more inspirally oriented episode. If you're interested in science fiction and you're interested in understanding how it fits with projecting different and future societies, this might be a good one for you. And now for a moment of Zen. Yes, that's all I got for today. Sorry, folks. Normally I have like 14 videos. I have to cut some, but it's January. This is how it goes. I want to actually share a video that was part of a new contributor's introduction to Enspiral. And it's funny. It's like optimistic to the brim, and I just thought it was a wonderful piece of introduction to a community. So I'm sharing this not only as something that will probably make you giggle, but also as a example of somebody who introduced themselves in a very flashy way to a new community, and it was very well received. So I'm not going to play the whole thing because it's 2 minutes long, but there's like Santa conversations at the beginning. Look at this. This guy's great. There's like some violin playing, and there's some like playing in the snow. It's great. Link will be below. And with that, I leave you for today. Thanks for following our journey for one more year, and I am hopeful. I think this year is going to be special. All right, folks. See you next time. A special thanks to our new In the Soup level contributor, James Crook. Thank you so much for contributing to this community. It means a lot to us.